Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact keyboard model and firmware build, so you fetch the correct file. Once done, make sure battery is at least 50% or connect the keyboard via a reliable USB-C port. Avoid hubs. You then download the official firmware and the vendor updater for your operating system, unzip files, and run the updater as administrator. Finally, put the keyboard into its update or DFU mode, following manufacturer key combo to start the process. You open the firmware updater and select the correct bin or hex file, double-check the file name and version. Then begin flashing and watch the progress indicator. Do not disconnect the cable or sleep the computer while writing. An interruption can corrupt flash. If the updater offers verification, let it complete fully so checksums match. Once finished, allow the device to reboot automatically. If the app asks to install drivers or restart the PC, follow those prompts to finalize the installation. You now verify functionality by typing through all layers and testing macros and lighting. Restore any saved profiles from your backup and reapply custom layouts. If some keys or lighting behave oddly, reinstall the vendor driver and reset the keyboard configuration in software. If the device fails to boot or shows firmware error, try the recovery or alternate flashing method on a different computer. Hold the reset/boot key combo while connecting USB to force recovery mode. If that still fails, contact support with logs and model details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.